Bank of America, BAC, is down 15% year to date. Is this a potential time to buy BAC for your portfolio? Quick summary of the video. Intrendias is suggesting a buy for BAC because of a potential bullish tweezer bottom, the end of a neutral symmetric triangle pattern. There was a recent 9% increase in the dividend, and 57% of the stock is held by institutional investors. This is Intrendias. Welcome back to the channel. What does an increase in the dividend mean for BAC? For starters, it may suggest new financial strength where the company is able to generate enough profits to distribute to shareholders this increased dividend while maintaining operational and investment needs. Simultaneously, the positive outlook here is that management may be more optimistic of the future prospects of Bank of America. Also, there's investor confidence where new investors may jump in to buy some BAC at this new dividend yield. Here are some mixed valuations from stock news. First, we're seeing the PE ratio for Bank of America being lower than the industry average. This, of course, is good signal for value-oriented investors as they want a lower value for their price. This may be referring to negative market sentiment here, but if the sentiment is based on Silicon Valley Bank or Signature Bank failures, I think comparing Bank of America to them are very different and not proper to be in the same basket. But if the negative market sentiment is coming from potential increase in rate hikes and there's fear of loan originations because of how much higher the rates are going to be, then bullet point 3 may have some credence. All in all, Bank of America may be an undervalued stock compared to other financial stocks based on this PE ratio. Another is the forward price to book PB ratio. Bank of America is lower than the industry average here as well. This may suggest the stock is undervalued, or there may be concerns of future profitability. Again, this may be because of the interest rates and the fear of being able to originate loans if rates are already so high. If the car is, having an interest rate of 4% to now 6%, maybe someone's going to wait to upgrade their car, right? A cheaper value for each unit of book value. So this is still a good signal, potential signal for value-oriented investors. And then finally, from stock news, we are seeing a higher forward price to sales. So we have a greater premium assigned on Bank of America's revenue generating potential. And here we're seeing a willingness to pay a premium, and this could affect high growth expectations, or Bank of America may just simply be overvalued in this regard. So with that being said, let's go to the technical analysis and see what is happening with BAC. We are looking at the technical analysis that we left off from the first BAC coverage. If you'd like to see the first Bank of America coverage on this channel, you can click the top right or the description down below. To carry on, we are seeing a potential bullish tweezer bottom pattern right at the end of this symmetric triangle pattern. The symmetric triangle pattern is neutral on its own, so we could see a great increase in the stock ahead or a potential downside. However, with this bullish tweezer bottom pattern here, this could indicate that the stock price can go higher out of this triangle pattern. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below, what you think this reading is. Is it correct, a tweezer bottom pattern, or do you think it's something else? With that being said, I could see the stock price move down to the $23 line. This $23 line is drawn because of COVID lows right here. So we could see it drop to 23, or we could see the stock price move higher to 29.87, and better yet, 34.47. This This line is drawn based on the lower highs that we experienced in November 2022 and February 2023 here. I would love to see this continuation of this higher lows line here. And if we could rocketeer up to 34, that would be fantastic. I would like to add BAC to my portfolio. I am recording on Sunday, 7/9 here. So I would love to add some more BAC before this symmetrical triangle pattern breaks. Finally, returning back to the slides and to recap, Intrendias suggests a buy for BAC. We're seeing this potential bullish tweezer bottom pattern, and simultaneously the neutral symmetric triangle pattern is ending, and we can potentially see a break of that triangle for the upside or downside. However, with that bullish tweezer bottom pattern, that may just be the indication and confirmation that we need for BAC. Again, a 9% increase in the dividend. That's a nice cherry on top to own this stock. Simultaneously, 57% of stock is held by institutional investors. That can suggest that institutional investors are confident in holding BAC. And why not think about what the institutional investor is doing and potentially copy them just a little bit here. So this has been Intrendias. Thank you for watching the channel. If you enjoy content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think BAC will do next. Comments, likes, and subscriptions do help the channel a lot, so I do appreciate your time. And thank you again for watching. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next one.